Hey everyone, it's Natella, your girl from Positive Vibes Just Smile Network. Today I'm diving into a topic we're all a little too familiar with: procrastination. But instead of beating myself up about it, I'm going to challenge myself and you to embrace it for a whole week. Yep, you heard that right. Procrastination, the ultimate productivity killer? Or is it? We've all been there, putting off tasks until the last minute, feeling guilty, and then scrambling to get everything done just in time. But what if I told you that procrastination isn't all bad? In fact, it might have some surprising benefits. Procrastination is a huge issue for many of us. It's estimated that around 20% of adults are chronic procrastinators, and it can seriously impact our productivity and mental health. When we put things off, we often feel stressed and anxious, which can lead to burnout and decreased motivation. But despite these negative effects, procrastination is a habit that's hard to break. So, why do we procrastinate? One reason is that our brains are wired to avoid tasks that are boring or overwhelming. When we're faced with something that requires a lot of effort, our brains look for ways to dodge it. This can lead to procrastination, but sometimes it also sparks creativity and problem solving. Another reason, we're trying to avoid stress and anxiety. When we're up against a deadline or a tough task, our brains might want to put it off. But here's the twist: this avoidance can actually lead to some positive outcomes like relaxation and stress relief. Research shows that procrastination can actually have some upsides. When we give ourselves time to relax and daydream, our brains start making new connections and coming up with innovative solutions. Taking time to think things through helps us weigh our options more carefully and make more informed choices. Sometimes stepping away from a task and doing something else helps us feel more relaxed and focused when we return. So, in conclusion, procrastination isn't all bad. While it can hurt our productivity and mental health, it can also boost creativity, help us make better decisions, and relieve stress. By embracing procrastination and using it to our advantage, we might actually become more productive and focused in the long run. I want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced the unexpected benefits of procrastination, or has it totally derailed your plans? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about productivity and time management, don't forget to check out my other videos on those topics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.